Are you frustrated by your messy, cluttered, unorganized home? You want to clean up, make life simple, organized, and minimalist, but don't know what to do and where to start? This video is for you. Hey, I'm Samyanchum and ProductiveU is working to make you more productive in life. In this video, you are going to explore simple and easy tips to follow for making your home and life more organized, more beautiful. So, let's start. A minimalist home had a simple, clean, and organized atmosphere. It also takes away unnecessary distractions and help you focus on yourself and your personal goals. Minimalism focuses on simplicity, usefulness, and clarity. A lifestyle that focuses less on material possessions and more on their value in life. Learning how to declutter your home is not difficult and painful, and results are numerous. The 5 tips to start cleaning your home in a minimalist way. Before you start to declutter your home, keep containers defined for different items. The put away items that you crept out of their designated storage spaces. Fix or mend items that need something before they are put away. Then a container for recycle items the items that can be recycled. Discard items that you want to throw away in the trash. A container for donate items, the unwanted items that are still in good condition and can be donated to others. Then a container for sell online items. Unwanted items in good condition can also be sold online to generate extra money along with cleaning up. You can make your life simple and easy by digitalizing your home. What does it mean? Make your home paperless. Keep all the documents in soft form in your devices. It will save a lot of space. Online bill payments can save you from the hassle of saving electricity and gas bills. What to put and what to discard is no doubt a difficult decision. Keep the better version and donate, sell, or discard the other one. Remember, always prefer quality over quantity. Each and every household item must have a specific place. I used to say to my kids that everything has a home. So after use, place back the things in their home. If you have less space and more items, it means you seriously need to minimalize your home. Before you actually start decluttering home, make a cleanup or declutter schedule. You can make schedule room-wise or stuff-wise. This video will surely help you to clean up home in an organized manner. If you are motivated to change your life and want to be more productive, subscribe my channel ProductiveU. Like and share this video. Thank you.